Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can block spam calls on Android device. So in the first step, open the Play Store and tap on the caller. Look for the Truecaller app, install it and open. Tap on the Get Started and select the Truecaller as default app. Tap on the Continue and add a permission. Choose the Continue and agree again. Tap on the OK. Now just enter your number, verify it, and this is the way how you can block all spam calls on your Android device. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.